The diagram shows a parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram is greater than 15 centimeters square. Show that 2x squared minus 21x plus 40 is less than 0 and find the range of possible values of x. So, in the parallelogram, what we know is, according to the properties of a parallelogram, is that the adjacent angles are supplementary, opposite angles are equal. So if A, B, C, D was the parallelogram, the angle A is 150, so angle D would be 180 minus 150, that is 30 degrees. So this is the starting point for us, and this is 30 degrees. And if I drop a perpendicular from the point A as the height of the parallelogram, so if I call AX, and if AX is the height of the parallelogram, then the area of the parallelogram would be H times 2x minus 1. So area of parallelogram, or area of ABCD, equals H multiplied by 2x minus 1 centimeter square. So we don't know what H is, but in triangle ADX is a right angle triangle, so we can write sine 30 degrees equals H out of dx, sorry, H out of AD, and that would equal, sorry, no, sine 30 we know is half, so we can write half equals H out of 10 minus x, and this would give us H equals 10 minus x out of 2 centimeters. So that's the height. So we know now they've given us the area is less than 15, so we can do that, we can do the, try to work out part A. So I will write 2x minus 1 multiplied by 10 minus x out of 2 is less than, sorry, is greater than 15. Why am I saying less than? So it's greater than 15. So then I can write 2x minus 1 times 10 minus x is greater than 30. So this, multiplying this out, removing the brackets, we'd get 10 times 2 is 20x minus 2x squared minus 10 and plus x is greater than 30, or we can write minus 2x squared plus 21x minus 10, and then bring the 30 to the left hand side, so it will be minus 40 is greater than 0. So we can switch the inequality sign by writing 2x squared minus 21x plus 40 is less than 0. So hence we have proved part A. That's what we have to show. So that's done. The next bit is to solve this inequality to find the range of values for x. So this one, 2x squared minus 21x plus 40, this can be written as 40 times 2 is 80, and 4 times 20 is 16 times 5. So I can write 16 times 5 is 80, and 16 plus 5 is 21. So I can write 2x squared minus 16x minus 5x plus 40, and that would equal 2x, if I take outside the bracket, x minus 8, and then minus 5 times x minus 8. So 2x minus 5 times x minus 8. So now bringing in the inequality sign, if you have 2x minus 5, you see what we can do is, if you had, we don't have to do this maybe, but I will do it just to be certain. So if you had y equals 2x minus 5, then you get, if x is 0, then y is minus 5. So if I had like minus 5 somewhere here, and then I had to, and when x and y is 0, sorry, when y is 0, x would be 5 out of 2. So 5 out of 2 is like, let me say somewhere here. So that would be 5 out of 2, and that's minus 5. And then the next one, if y is x minus 8, so if you had that, and then if x is 0, y is minus 8, so minus 8 could be somewhere here, right? And then if y is 0, x equals 8, so it would be here. So it's very clear that this is the range for x. So we can say that 5 out of 2 is less than x is less than 8. So 5 out of 2 I can write as 2.5 is less than x is less than 8, and that is the range of possible values for x, and that's the answer.